This is the first problem. Solve natin ang 3x plus 5 equals 2 over x. Step 1. Alisin ang fraction. Kailangan natin tanggalin ang fraction sa pamamagitan ng pagmultiply ng parehong sides ng x. So we have x times the quantity of 3x plus 5 equals x times the quantity of 2 over x. After doing it, magiging ganito na siya. 3x squared plus 5x para sa left-hand side. Dun naman sa right-hand side, we have x times 2 divides x. We cancel the x na mag-iiwan ng 2 sa kabila. Nakikita nyo ba kung paano natin tinanggal ang fraction? Step 2. Gawing simple ang equation. Kailangan natin gawing simple ang equation para magmukhang ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Gawin natin ito sa pamamagitan ng pag-subtract ng 2 sa parehong sides. Kapag ginawa natin yon, we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Oh, you see? Simple na siya, di ba? At naka-standard form na. Ngayon, madali na natin itong ma-factor. At ito ang ating step number 3. Hanapin ang dalawang numero. Kailangan natin hanapin ang dalawang numero na kapag minultiply, magiging negative 6 kasi 3 times negative 2 is equal negative 6 at kapag in-add, magiging 5. Do you have any suggestion? If you have, you can write it on your notebook and let's see if we have the same thing. Feel free to pause this video and think for the two numbers. Now going back, ang mga numerong ito ay 6 at negative 1. Why? Because 6 times negative 1 is equal to negative 6, right? Also, 6 plus negative 1 equals 5. There you have it. Meron na tayong dalawang numbers. Step number 4. Isulat ulit ang equation. Gamitin natin ang 6 at negative 1 para isulat o ilagay ito sa gitnang part ng ating equation. Lagyan lang natin ng konting space sa gitna, then we write 6x minus x or minus 1x. Finally, we have this new equation, 3x squared plus 6x minus x minus 2 equals 0. The next step would be, step number 5, i-group ang mga part. Mahalagang i-group natin ang mga part na magkasama. To be able to do that, we use parenthesis. First, we group the quantity of 3x squared plus 6x. Also, we have the other group of quantity, negative x minus 2 equals 0. There you have it. We have this new group of equation. Step 6. Ilabas ang common parts. Ilabas natin ang common parts sa bawat group. Mula sa 3x squared plus 6x, ilabas ang 3x dahil ito ay GCF or greatest common factor ng 3x at 6x. After we do that, we now have 3x times the quantity of x plus 2. Mula sa negative x minus 2, ilalabas ang negative 1. With the same reason because the GCF is negative 1 for negative x plus 2. So now we have negative 1 times the quantity of x plus 2. Ngayon meron na tayo nito, 3x times x plus 2 minus 1 times the quantity of x plus 2 equals 0. Nakita nyo ba kung paano natin ginawa yan? You can easily review the process if you want to, or review how to get the GCF or greatest common factor of the given terms. Step 7. Ilabas ang common binomial. Ngayon, ilabas natin ang x plus 2. Magkakaroon tayo ng two binomials which are 3x minus 1 times the quantity of x plus 2 equals 0. Ayan, may dalawang factors na tayo. Para sa huling step, we solve for x. Iset natin ang bawat part sa 0 at isolve ang x. Para sa 3x minus 1 equals 0, we isolate 3x by adding 1 both sides. So we have 3x equals 1. Dividing both sides by 3 will finally give us the final solution, which is x equals 1 over 3. Para sa x plus 2 equals 0, we also isolate x by subtracting 2 both sides. So we have x equals negative 2. Ngayon, ano na ang values ng x or yung roots natin? Correct. We have 1 over 3 and negative 2. Step 9. I-check ang sagot. Kailangan natin i-check ang parehong sagot sa original na equation. 3x plus 5 equals 2 over x para siguraduhin na tama. Pag-check ng x equals 1 over 3, ilagay ang x equals 1 over 3 sa original na equation. So we have 3 times 1 over 3 plus 5 equals 2 over 1/3. On the left, we cancel 3 because it gives us 1. So the remaining is 1 plus 5. On the right hand, we have 2 times the reciprocal, which is ueng kabaliktaran ng 1/3 na 3 over 1. It will become 6. As we see, 6 equals 6. We have a balance equation. Then it is correct. Pag-check ng x equals -2, ilagay ang x equals -2 sa original na equation. This time we have 3 times -2 plus 5 equals 2 over -2. On the left, we have 3 times -2, which is -6 plus 5. Simplifying them, we have -1. On the right, we divide 2 and -2, which gives us -1 as well. Pareho rin ang sides, kaya tama rin ang x equals -2. There you have it. The solutions are 1/3 and -2.